Hey guys, what's up? Today we are in Sakura-Gicho, Yokohama, and I'm gonna be testing the Ronin-Sc. I'm here with my friend Edgar that's filming right now. On the app, you just press create, and then force mobile, and then enable force mobile, and then it just follows your phone. Super cool. Wait.
I got something I gotta tell you, so get ready for another breakthrough. So let me show you what I mean.
In user profile on your app, you can change modes, and you can do a thing called 3D roll 360, and it spins. Cosmo World.
We are brave, we are free, nothing stopping you and me. We are the wild ones, we are the fearless. Now's our time to feel alive. We're chasing that golden sky.
Today I'm going to be sharing my final thoughts on the Ronin-Sc after using it a few times outside. I used it once in Yokohama with my friend Edgar, and then I used it again with my friend Hanako in Nakameguro when we were eating Mexican food. I also ended up using it for a work shoot for the new company that I've been working with. Overall, I really enjoy using it. I've never really used the gimbal, so it took me some time to balance. 全然わからない。やばいぞ。うわ、重た。
The amount of weight it can.
I ended up using it with my Canon M50, Canon Kiss M. The names are different in different countries. I don't know why Canon you do this to us. It's so confusing because I found out after trying to balance it that it's not actually compatible with my Canon 6D. I looked it up online and my Canon 6D was not in the list of compatible cameras. Maybe it is possible. I feel like the Ronin-Sc could actually carry the weight of the Canon 6D, but I just had a really hard time balancing it. So not being able to use the Ronin-Sc with my main camera, the Canon 6D, is a little bit of a bummer. But I did enjoy using it besides that. If you have never balanced a gimbal, it will probably take you some time. It took me a while. My friend fell asleep while I was trying to balance it. I watched some tutorials online. I really liked Kai's tutorial. I'll link it down below. I think I made a huge mistake once where I forgot to unlock everything, so I don't think it was smooth. I've only really used it a few times, but it's getting easier and easier. And because I can auto-tune, I just do my best with balancing it, and then I just press auto-tune and just start using it, and it works. I had no problems with the battery life. My camera would die, but the gimbal didn't. I really want one for dance videos and travel films. I feel like it would be great to have a stabilizer then. I'm not very techie, but as a filmmaker, I do want to get better at using gear and just learn how to use everything. I want to be versatile. Thank you so much DJI Japan for reaching out and sending me this product to review for a month. I really appreciate it and had fun using it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below anything. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing week. Keep doing you. Bye.